Good afternoon, plastic surgeon Ziggy speaking. How can I help?
Okay guys, Steve's got a need for somebody to do some work in Liverpool. How are we fixed?
I've got Jamie free that I can either send up or he can cover for anybody else that needs to go up.
Usually we can have someone sort of next day, depending on what schedules. If it's a priority job, we can move things around to accommodate the customer's needs.
Excellent guys, just got confirmation to do them doors on the hotel chain in Liverpool.
We've had quite a few facility management jobs in the last 12 months.
We look after universities, hospitals, repairing doors, worktops, trespass, IPS panels, which is a cost-effective way of getting the repairs done rather than throwing things away.
Biggest one I can think of is Coventry Hospital, doing all variations from doors to nurses' stations, vinyl floors, you name it, we did it in the hospital, yeah.
I've got an urgent requirement for some stone finishes tomorrow in Darlington. Can anybody help?